Hello everyone. Today I'm really excited because I got a bunch of goodies to try out. I've been thinking about this idea for a while and I'm super excited. First we got these hot chili chips. They're potato chips and they look super good. I know it's the third video and I still haven't done anything with my nails. I'm looking for nail polish. We also have these sweet chips they're called Shinzang. I think that's how you say it. Shinzang snack. I like it. It's cute. I like the little shapes. I haven't tried these yet, but I see them all the time. I got the strawberry flavor since I have a lot of like chocolate already. I got a strawberry thing, and I also got this cute little strawberry yogurt drink. It looks adorable. I got a lot of drinks, but those are for like not the video basically. I also got these. I'm obsessed. They're so good. I'll probably eat them off camera though. I've tried these ones with the Pop Rocks, but I haven't tried this, so I'll be trying that today. This chocolate, which it looks like it's dark chocolate, but it looks really good. Ramen for a separate video, which will probably be coming out not too long after this one. I only have 3, but I mean, I'm very intrigued by these. These look so good. I love spicy chips. So let's see how this goes. Oh, it smells so good. You wanna buy? Here you go. I see that done on mukbangs a lot, where they give their audience the first bite. All right. That is so good. Well, I know what I'm buying next time I go to like H Mart or Mitsuwa. These are delicious. This is product of Taiwan, so I'm pretty sure this is a Taiwanese snack. Well, not pretty sure, I'm probably positive. 10 out of 10. Amazing. Have one more. Now we're gonna try the Shinzang or Shinzang. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. This one is Korean. Let's do this. Look at how cute that is. I've never seen a chip look like this. I can see through it. It's so adorable. Whoa. Okay. Wow. That's really nice. That's a really nice flavor. It's made with honey and black sesame seed. It's not too sweet. It's like a very light honey flavor. It's delicious. I love it. We're doing good so far. I like these. Next is Bing Bing. This is also Korean, made in Korea, or product of Korea. Let's see. After I test one, I can let my family have the rest. Unless I really like it and I just eat them. I've seen people eat these before. I can't remember if I've ever tried one. Which way do you eat it from? Because when I eat ice cream cones, I like to eat this part first. Oh, that smells so good. Mmm. The wafer isn't too sweet, and I very much appreciate that. It's like the wafer is a bit savory. Not like super savory, like you can taste a little bit of it. It's not as sweet as the inside where the strawberry is. And it's just a nice little like balance. Look at me talking like a cook. It's pretty good. Of course you can taste like the artificialness in the strawberry, but that's kind of expected with strawberry flavors. The only time I really taste authentic strawberry is when I'm obviously eating a strawberry or when I have strawberry tea. But this is really good. 10 out of 10. Like, all these are super good. I'll probably do this again one day. I'll definitely do another video with different snacks. We'll see. I'm gonna go for this, but after I open this up, this has been staring at me in the face. I need grown-up assistance. Okay. Alright. It seems I will need adult assistance to open this, so I'm gonna go grab one of my other drinks. It's a sad day. Now, I've tried this before. The bubble tea. I can't remember if I liked it or not, and I can't remember if I had this flavor. This is brown sugar with tapioca pearls. I think I got the taro. I don't... My family says it two different ways. And every time I say it differently, a family member goes, "Why do you say it like that?" And I'm like, okay, well... This is also a product of Taiwan. And let's make sure that... Oh wait, no, it was in the cold section. I was like making sure that I don't have to heat it up. I can't remember if I had to... I don't remember things. Ah! Bad memory. Okay. Wow. That is pretty amazing. Again, not too sweet. I haven't gotten any boba. I've just gotten the drink. I know there's boba in here. That's pretty good. I think I had a straw with my... Because I remember the boba was tiny enough to get into a normal straw. That's really good. Alright. Now let's open this. Ooh. What? Is it broken? I can't tell. Made in Japan. So this is a Japanese candy. Maybe. You know, sometimes it's like chips here, like Americanized chips or chips that are very popular in America, are made in China. I'm not sure. I'll have to check on that. Ooh. Oh yeah, they're like pre-broken up into pieces. That's clever, so you don't get like an awkward looking piece. They're all the perfect size. It's very chocolatey. It's like the type of chocolate that there's not too much sugar because it's dark chocolate. That's really good. These snacks don't miss. That's the moral of the story. And then last but not least, crunchy big choco stick. Distributed by J&S Solution. This might be an American candy. Just sold in H Mart. Because there is like Western candies and North American candies in H Mart. Again, I've tried this one with the Pop Rocks. It's so good. It's amazing. I didn't think Pop Rocks and chocolate would mix so well. So let's see how this goes. Little crunches. This piece right here is always broken off. And it's kind of crazy. They never fail. It's so good though. Whoa. It looks kind of marbly. It's good. But the Pop Rocks definitely beats this. I give it 8 out of 10. 8 for effort. It's good, but it's just not good as its brethren right here, the Pop Rocks. That's all I have time for today. Thank you for joining me. Definitely try this out. Try all of them out. They're super good. Especially this. I'll probably finish this like while editing for the video that's going to be released tomorrow on the 28th. It's going to be pretty cool. You're going to see it before I do. Amazing. All right. Peace out.